Introduction to Coaching and Mentoring. Introduction to the module. Welcome to Module 1 of your Coaching and Mentoring course. This opening module will give you an overview of where your dream career will fit into the industry once you are a qualified professional, and introduce you to some of the key concepts of coaching and mentoring. Topics to be covered in this module are: what coaching is, 5 principles of coaching, definitions of a coach, duties of a coach, characteristics of a successful coach, coaching traps and problems, what mentoring is, definitions of a mentor and mentee, roles and responsibilities of a mentor. What is coaching? Coaching is the process by which a coach and a coachee, the person being coached, work together to maximize the coachee's ability to achieve and develop. This can be professional, personal, or even athletic development. The 5 principles of coaching: ability to gather information, ability to listen, awareness of what's happening around you, ability to instruct employees, ability to give feedback. Gathering information. A potential coachee may not know what coaching they need. Learn about an individual's hopes, goals, and interests without being intrusive. Listening. A coach needs to listen rather than hear. Active listening and empathetic listening are the best skills to help a coach create the necessary trusting relationship. What's happening around you? Communication is key. Open, frequent communication is effective in learning about coachees' problems and anticipating their needs. Instruction. It's not good to identify coachees' troubles and be unable to help. Impart advice effectively and efficiently. Feedback. Making time to provide positive reinforcement and corrective feedback is the best way to progress.